Congratulations on the purchase of your brand new Heartway Venus S9 mobility scooter. Here at Out & About Healthcare, we believe in empowering people on their journey to independence with the latest in mobility innovation. Thank you for joining the Out & About family. For basket assembly details, or if you have purchased a canopy, rear basket, or other accessory, please refer to our accessory assembly video. The link will be in the description below. Now that you have your brand new Venus, it's time to open it. Remove any loose items from the box. We recommend cutting the sides of the box to make getting your Venus out easier. Once the sides of the box are cut, you'll need to raise the tiller and remove the seat. Straighten it by pushing the lever down and pushing the tiller up. You'll need to screw in a bolt underneath the dust jacket protector to keep your tiller in place. Tighten the bolt with an Allen key. Remove the seat. Remove any remaining packaging from the scooter. Next, you'll need to attach your seat. Line the bottom up with the mount and slide it in. Switch your scooter on and drive it off the pallet. Please note the lip as you drive your scooter off. Attach the headrest to the headrest points. The height can be adjusted by pushing the button and positioning the headrest. Your armrest will need to be adjusted. Lift the armrest up and roll the adjustment dial to the left to increase the angle. Your mirrors will need to be screwed in near the control panel. Switch on your Venus to ensure everything is connected correctly. Your Venus is now ready to drive. In the box, you will have received a charger. To charge your scooter, connect the cable to the battery box. Your charging port is located underneath the tiller near the key. Plug in the XLR charger. We recommend purchasing an outlet surge protector for your Venus. This will help protect it against damage in the event of a sudden surge of power. Plug the charger into a standard wall outlet. If the battery indicator shows a red and green LED light, then you'll need to leave your Venus to charge. If the indicators show two green LED indicators, then your scooter is fully charged. We recommend charging your Venus overnight after daily use. Do not let your battery drop to zero. It is important to keep an eye on your battery indicator, as it is a visual representation of your charge. On 6 bars, your battery is well charged. On 4, start consider charging. On 2, you have a low battery and will need to charge your scooter. Your Venus has a digital control panel, which has indicator buttons, horn, a hazard light switch, headlights, a high-low speed switch, and mode and set buttons. The LED lights on the side of the screen show you what you have selected and will light up when in use. Your display panel displays the temperature, clock, odometer, trip meter, speedometer, and battery gauge. Press mode to toggle between these options on the screen. To adjust the settings, hold the mode and set button simultaneously. Press the set button to adjust the hour time. Press the mode button to move into the minutes. When you are finished, hold the set and mode buttons simultaneously for 2 seconds. Use the same method to toggle between kilometers an hour and miles per hour, and Celsius and Fahrenheit. The Venus offers a number of comfort adjustments to suit individual needs. As previously mentioned, the angle of your armrest can be adjusted by turning the adjustment dial. To adjust the height of your headrest, press the button at the bottom and position the headrest to a comfortable height. If you need to bring the tiller closer, push the lever on the tiller down and pull the tiller towards you, releasing at your desired position. To bring your seat forward or move it back, bring the front lever underneath your seat up and position it comfortably before releasing the lever. To adjust your seating angle, pull the seating lever up and push back against the chair to recline your seat, or lean forward to bring it closer. Your Venus is equipped with an automatic electromagnetic braking system. This means if you release the accelerator lever, your Venus will automatically slow down to a stop. It features an adjustable seat belt and swivel seat. To activate freewheel mode, locate the lever at the back of your scooter. Push the lever down to activate freewheel mode. This means you'll be able to push your scooter manually. To take it off, simply push the lever up again. Do not activate freewheel mode while your scooter is on. If you do, you'll need to switch it off and restart it to re-engage the brakes. If an error occurs with your scooter, your warning indicator will flash a number of times and present an error message code in the form of a number. This will give you an idea as to what the problem may be. Here is a quick snapshot of the errors. For more detailed information, please refer to the manual or contact your place of purchase. It is important to correctly maintain your scooter to ensure it lasts. We recommend routine checks on your scooter to ensure everything is performing adequately. We recommend checking the condition of your tyres and ensuring your battery is appropriately charged before each use. Every 6 months, we recommend booking in a routine service for your scooter. This is to replace the motor brushes and ensure your Venus is in optimal driving condition. If you have any questions about your new Venus, be sure to refer to the manual or contact Out and About Healthcare on 1300 366 545.